Hey guys, it's Fo from mamaandmoney.com where I teach you how to make and manage money to become financially free. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 6 home-based business ideas that you can start as a stay-at-home mom or even a working mom. Now, here's the thing. I have over 40 home-based business ideas that you can try as a stay-at-home mom. I will leave the link for that blog post in the description of this video for you to check out for more ideas. I've mentioned before several reasons why it's important for moms to have additional streams of income, but here's one reason that I haven't talked about before. Having a home-based business is actually a tax advantage, meaning you're able to take advantage of some of the tax laws that will allow you to reduce your taxable income and therefore save some money. So if you've ever thought about starting a home-based business, it's definitely a good idea. I'll leave a link to a book for you to read that teaches you exactly why it is a good idea to have a home-based business and how you can take advantage of your business to save money on taxes. So let's hop into some home-based business ideas that you can start. So the first home-based business that you can do both physically and online is to be a trainer or health coach. Now, if you have a knack for teaching people how to eat healthier and you are maybe a nutritionist, or maybe you go and get a certification to be a health coach and a trainer, this is a good option for you to be able to do at home. This is something that you can do with your kids around. And like I mentioned, you can also do it virtually. So you can work with clients one-on-one via Zoom, or maybe you can turn your garage into a gym and leverage that to have training classes or to work with your clients one-on-one. This is a great idea for you if you're a stay-at-home mom because it not only allows you to be able to make money, but you can exercise while doing it at the same time. So the first idea that you can leverage as an at-home business idea is to be a health coach / a personal trainer. The second home-based business idea that you can try is to make skincare or even hair care products. So this could be something like body oils, butters, hair creams, things of that nature, body scrubs even. Those are all things that you can make from your home and be able to sell online, or you could take it out to sell at places like at your local pop-up shop or local boutique. So these are things that you can have your kids help you do, and I'm sure it'll be a lot of fun for them as well. So if you're looking for an idea and maybe you have an interest in body care and hair care products, this is something that you can definitely start from your home. I like to share the story of Lisa Price, who was the founder of Carol's Daughter. She started her hair care business from her home. So if Lisa Price can do it, so can you. The third home-based business idea that you can try is to become a virtual assistant. Now, I've mentioned this before several times, but this is definitely something that you can do with your kids at home on your own schedule. Now, being a virtual assistant simply means that you are helping online business owners with tasks like checking email, responding to email, scheduling things, doing administrative tasks for other entrepreneurs. So again, this is a very great idea if you are a stay-at-home mom because you can work around your own schedule as long as you're able to get the task done by the deadline that's set between you and the client that you're working with. So I'll leave a resource for how you can become a virtual assistant with no experience in the description of the video. The fourth very unique home-based business idea that you can start is a paint and sip business. Now, a lot of times people like to go out to maybe art shops or different venues to do paint and sip. This is something that you can actually try virtually where you ship out supplies to your customers and you set up a Zoom and you create this atmosphere where they're able to paint and sip, whether it's wine or not, as you lead them in the class. Now, this is also something that you may leverage to do for a kids party where you can do paint and sip juice and they can paint on their canvases while you host a virtual party, or maybe it's something that you do in person. But this is definitely a unique idea that you can try as a home-based business idea that's very low cost and fun and creative to do. The fifth home-based business idea that you can try is tutoring. Now, you may have heard this idea before, but this is definitely something that you can leverage. And you don't have to go through any of these spammy sites or online sites where you have to be up early in the morning trying to tutor kids in another country. You can start your own tutoring business on your own hours with your own clients. So this is definitely something that you can do as a stay-at-home mom, perhaps while your kids are napping or in the evenings. You can work with students on whatever your area of expertise is. So it doesn't even have to be limited to school-age kids. You can tutor college students, or you can tutor adults who may be doing higher education. Whatever your niche is, you can focus on that, and it is definitely a business that you can do from home and virtually. The last home-based business idea that I do want to mention is podcast editing. Now, podcasts are a huge, huge thing these days. It is an ever-growing market, and people are always in need of someone to edit their podcast audio for them. So if you have that skill, or you are willing to learn that skill, this is definitely a business opportunity that you can take advantage of. So you can market yourself on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr so that you can acquire customers that you can edit for. So as you become more proficient and you become better at your services and at your skills, you can charge more and you can get repeat clients. I, for one, am a podcaster. Therefore, I do hire a podcast editor to edit my work for me. So this is definitely a booming business that you may want to consider as a home-based business idea. I hope that you found these ideas helpful. Comment below and let me know exactly which ones you want to try, or if you have some additional ideas that you want to share with everyone else. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want more mama and money tips, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll talk to you in the next video.